boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar, Justin Bieber. We continue with songs from his latest album called Swag. This pink-ish album, like soft R&B. And the reason for me having this guitar is because it's a little pinkish as well. If you want to have a guitar like this, then make sure you use my coupon code. This is a guitar from Guitar. It's the Eagle version, the big one. Sounds great, and you can get a very affordable price from this with my coupon code GORNGUitar10, like $300 range or so. Nice. So I just want to mention that. Now let's go into this tutorial all the way, and we have 4 chords, guys. Very simple chords, and no need for any capo here. So yeah, let's do it together. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with D, and D is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. That's the starting point. Next chord will be the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord, so you place the index finger here on the 2nd fret with all the strings. You push down all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We move on with G. It goes like this. It's 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally, we have the E minor. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have that chord progression through the entire song. Let's look into the strumming pattern. And one round with the first chord, D, goes like this. Okay, so we're going to start with down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. Okay, and then you make a short little pause there, and you finish off with down, clap, down. And that's one round. So down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. It goes like this. But you're going to play only one string around per chord in the same order we learned the chords. So D1, F sharp minor 1, G1, and E minor 1, like this. And so on. Alright guys, I think you get the idea. Justin Bieber's All the Way is a great song. Fits guitar very well. So give it a try if you love this song. Be back for more uploads here on Growing Guitar from Justin Bieber and many others. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.